Today we're going to be talking about uh, three types of control systems in our text and give an example of each one. So the first one is the feed-forward control. The definition is basically that it focuses on anticipating problems and taking action before they occur. So an example of this would be a company provides training to employees before launching a new software system or program, and ensuring that the employees understand how to properly use it. This reduces the chance that um, any errors occur when the thing goes live or occurs. So just taking the steps beforehand so that you minimize your errors or any negative consequences after the fact. Next would be your concurrent control, and this is the type of control that takes place uh, while an activity is happening and allowing for immediate correction. So it's kind of like real time control. An example would be a supervisor monitors workers on an assembly line to make sure they're assembling products correctly. And if they see a mistake, they'll correct it. So it's just like you're checking in real time to see if there's any issues and problems and correcting them as quickly as possible. Um, and lastly is the feedback control. This is the type of control that occurs after an activity is completed, focusing on reviewing the results to improve future performance. An example of this would be a manager reviews monthly sales reports to see if the targets were met, and if they weren't met, then the manager will make changes to that. So these three ones, you just like three different type of controls. You look at your pre-event, your during the event, and your post-event. So um, they're all different steps and what you can do with them. I think all three could be used on the same project. So like if you're launching software, you want to make sure the software is going to be developed correctly beforehand and to mitigate errors. But then also when it's live, you want to make sure that you're monitoring, seeing if there's any issues that actually you didn't catch and or that customers are experiencing, and you correct those. And then let's say the program comes to an end, you want to look back after the fact and say, what did we do right? What did we do wrong? And see where we could improve for maybe our next project in the future.